Let me quickly show you exactly how to stream to Twitch using your Xbox One in this short video. If you guys remember the old method, you would have to download the Twitch app and then use the broadcast tab, but unfortunately that's not available to everybody, so this is the official new way to do it. The first thing we want to do is go to our settings, which can be in the top right corner, and we just have to make sure that our Xbox is on the most recent update, so we go down to System and then go to Updates. And then if you guys have an update, simply update your Xbox on the latest update. Next thing we have to do is make sure that there's no parental blocks or anything like that on your account. So we can hit the back button and then we can go through your settings. You can either go to general or you can go to account and just make sure that the privacy online settings or family settings, everything is disabled. So for content restrictions, unrestricted, privacy and online, just make sure that you have the adult restrictions activated and you're not on a child account. And if you are a child, talk to your parents to make sure that you're able to do this before you do it. After that, we can simply hit the home button on the Xbox and then we can go a couple tabs over to the right to the capture and share tab. From here, we're gonna go all the way down to the live streaming tab, click that. And now we're gonna have to enter this code at twitch.tv/activate. You can use a computer or you can use your phone, it doesn't matter. So once we've entered our code, we can simply hit activate, and then we just click the authorize button, which will connect our Twitch account to our Xbox account. Now you can see that our Twitch account is connected with our Xbox. So from here, we have a couple different options. We have our stream name, which will be the title of the stream, which you can change by clicking this. You can also enable or disable your microphone, and if you guys are looking for the best microphones to use with your Xbox One, I'll leave some recommendations linked in the description down below. Then you can go to the camera options as well, where you can plug your webcam into your Xbox, which I'll also leave recommended down below, and you can change the position of where your webcam is going to be shown on the screen. Then you can click the more options button and make sure your destination is Twitch at the very bottom. At the very top, you can see that you can include your party chat audio, which I know is a huge bonus for everybody watching this. So thank God they added that option. You can also adjust your game volume and your microphone volume to get the best audio balance for your stream. Then you can change your resolution and bitrate here, which I recommend starting at 720p if you have okay internet, and if you want, you can boost all the way up to 1080p. You can also adjust your overlay by clicking this button, and it's just a little overlay that gives you some different information. So if you want, you can change the display to expanded, and it'll tell you how long you've been streaming for and how many viewers you're streaming to. And then you can click the area that it's going to be in, so we can put the top left, bottom right, doesn't matter. We can also change how transparent it is, so if you don't want to see it too much, you can change the transparency higher, and then when we're ready, we can simply hit done. And now that all of our settings are looking clean, we can hit back, go all the way up, hit go live now, and our stream has started, which you can see at the very top of the screen. So let's actually go to Twitch and see what's up. So now we're on the Twitch channel, and as you can see, we are live, but it's showing this little clip, and that's because we're on the Xbox menu. It's not going to show our gameplay until we actually go to a game. So let's go to a game. So I'm actually going to go back, and I'm going to find a game to play. So I'm just going to bring up Outlast real quick. Now I'm going to go back to Twitch and show you that it's going to transition just like that to our game. So now we can play our game as normal, and it'll be broadcasted live to our Twitch channel, as you can clearly see here. Unfortunately, your chat messages are not going to appear on your TV, so you're going to need your phone or something on the side so you can read chat. But when you're ready to end stream, you can simply hit the home button, and then you can go down to this little live streaming tab, click that, and then you can either pause your live stream, which will put that little clip that we saw earlier on, and then you can unpause it if you'd like by resuming. But when you're straight up ready to end the stream, you can go and hit stop live stream, and everything's going to be ended, and you're going to go offline on your Twitch channel. Watch this video to the side of me. It's going to help you so much in your streaming journey. My name's Cody, and I'll see you in the next one.